this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an Uber driver account in Canada. So what we want to do is just load up our browser. You can use Safari or any browser and just go search for Make Uber Driver Account Canada. We want to select this first link that pops up, become a driver in Canada. So it's going to look something like this. We want to choose sign up to drive, just like that, and you will input your email address right here. So I'll just input my email and click on continue. You can also use Google account or your Apple account, so just do that and proceed. Okay, so once you have created and set a password for your account, it should look a little something like this. So these are all the steps. So the delivery partner onboarding process, you have to click on it and accept it. So basically just accept the agreements as well as legal agreements. And then we have identification document. So recommended next step, once we click on it, it is going to ask for our driving license. So the front of our identity document. So driver's licenses are acceptable, passports, residential permits, and national IDs. So that's the first step that they recommend doing. Then you need to supply a profile photo here. So as you can see, take your profile photo. So basically what you have to do is face the camera directly with your eyes and mouth clearly visible. Make sure the photo is well lit, free of glare, and in focus, and no photos of photos, filters, or alterations. So after you have taken your photo, the next step will be getting issuing a bank statement. So you need to take a photo of your bank statement. So you simply click on take photo and you put your bank statement or give Uber your bank statement, and appropriate equipment for food transportation. That is if you're doing food deliveries. If you don't do food deliveries, you can skip this step. And then the last step will be learn more about your background application process. So here you will have to go through a background check for or in order to become an Uber driver in Canada. But basically once you have completed all of these steps, this is going to make you apply for the driving permit for Uber, and then you can become an Uber delivery driver or just a driver in Canada. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.